Y-Cube is an affordable housing solution, an eco-friendly build, and they look to build 36 sustainable homes in the new year. I caught up with Andy Redfern at his prototype in Wimbledon to find out more.
This is made of timber. It's very environmentally friendly. It's very warm, so this hits very high performance standards. But it is demountable. That is, we lift it on the back of a lorry, crane it in onto a site, and then after a few years we can then lift it and move it elsewhere. It's a very, very simple system. That's a very low carbon impact in terms of its production, and we can then completely recycle the product if we ever had to.
They cost £30,000 to build and cost £7 a week to heat. It may look like a monopoly house, but Andy assures me it feels like a home. To find out, I stayed over for a night.
It was nice and warm. That's because of the underfloor heating and also the naturally insulating materials that are used.
Many sustainable development projects are planned in London for the new year. In October, the Roundhouse in Camden announced Container City would rebuild their staff offices with 71 shipping containers.
It's inherently sustainable in that you're using upcycled containers, but it's also operationally sustainable. So what we end up with is a building which is relatively inexpensive to run. When you first say Container City sort of schemes to people, I think they instantly imagine the home base kind of things on top of each other and all a bit quirky. And this actually looks like an office building.
They're portable, which is a good start, but if you think of a container in its raw state, it's a metal box. I wouldn't say that's at all insulative or nice to live in.
Down the road from the Roundhouse, another building constructed with shipping containers, the Stay Club.
It's nice to be somewhere that I feel I'm a part of something bigger. I like the upcycling and how everything's kind of reused again, and it's nice to be in a place that feels comforting knowing that what is used here has like more purpose than just being a table. It was something before, and it's good for the environment, and that makes me feel good about using these for my own purposes.
People particularly living in high density, will tend to go for affordability first, sustainability comes second. Money is still the driving issue, and people are not yet asking for a sustainable property. It will come, and it'll come fairly quickly as prices go rapidly through the roof of things, but at the moment it's money driven.
London's population is expected to increase by 1 million in the new year. I'm outside the Stay Club in Camden. The Stay Club, Y-Cube and the Roundhouse are all thinking innovatively about how they design their buildings of the future, with a close eye on sustainability and a creative use of space. An investment they believe will help tackle an increasing shortage of space in London. This is Lucy Palmer for City News.